This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Corner lot with 2 porches for relaxing. Enclosed glass porch runs the full length of the home with easy care tile flooring and bar area. The screen porch opens to the living room. Newer kitchen cabinetry, countertops and appliances makes cooking fun. Both bedrooms will accommodate king-size beds. Bonus, the owner has included some furnishings. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.